You've been knocked down and got up again. In a corner, you're surrounded, no defenders. You've hid your fury and kept it in.
What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Ryan here with Morbidly Travels. This time we're hanging out world famous FREMONT Street here in Las Vegas. Let's go check it out. Trying to figure out what kind of trouble we can get into. Should be a good time.
From the ashes.
FREMONT is always a good time. You ever go to Thailand? I was gonna say it reminds me of the ladyboy. The ladyboy didn't grab your arms and run, and you're like, you know, it's so weird.
I know we grew up a little too fast. I miss the days that we chill and relax. Where did the time go? It all passed. Now I need to go back. I had no worries, but always had plans.
Quick cameos. I think the plan for us now is to try to find some gloves. Everybody's getting to that point where we're hungry.
Nice. Here we go. We're gonna start off like work our way all the way up. Remember, this is hard work and dedication on this hard, solid concrete. We can hurt ourselves.
Hands up, hands up, hands up. Everybody hands up. Everybody clap your hands. Good energy, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Everybody clap your hands. Hey, come on.
I just wanna run away. I don't know what else to say now. I just need to numb it up. Maybe I'm done, maybe I've lost. Still putting up a fight because I love my mom, I love my family. When I was young, they would all look after me. I don't know why, but I feel like a burden. I saw my life overthinking my purpose. Can't really cry, I'm so used to the hurt. Karma keeps up at me at the wrong moment. Oh, I just wanna numb the pain for a minute. I just wanna run away on vacation. I don't know what else to say.
What are your thoughts, gentlemen?
They like making them uncomfortable.
This is my home. This is my home.